The Ovation serger has 87 stitches and endless possibilities with those stitches. But if you really want to take it to the next level, you need to start collecting some of the accessory feet that go along with it. There's a whole assortment of different accessories and feet to attach to the machine to utilize for all sorts of different sewing techniques. And the 22-foot kit is a great way to start. You get 22 of them all at once. Inside of here, you've got a lot of different little pockets, like there's a front zip pocket where you could keep some of your accessories. And this is where you'll also find the shoulder strap. So you could carry this over your shoulder. It's got a nice canvas bag and leather handles, so very, very sturdy. But inside of it, you will find that you have removable pages for all of the 22 feet that come inside of the kit. I love that I can take them out if I just need to take the feet to class with me, but if I want to take some extra accessories, threads, fabrics, notions, you've got a lot of room in this bag. I'm also going to pull this out here. Now inside of these pages you will find that your 22 feet are all zipped into compartments with a little label, and you've got extra space for some additional accessories. It's got one of my very, very favorite feet, the curved foot, comes right inside of here. And it really is a great value if you're looking to get some of the serger feet. Let's see here, pin tuck foot, the quilting guide, which is amazing on the Ovation because you've got that 5-inch space for sewing, the ruffling foot. You've got all of the belt loop binder and the feller attachments are in here. So you've got lots of different options for hem treatments. And it also comes with the cover and chain stitch foot. This is my very, very favorite serger foot. A great little accessory that you can do so many different things with. The clear foot, you get the elastic foot. So a lot of, like I said, those very most commonly used serger attachments and feet are right inside of this kit for you, labeled and easy and ready to go. Now to learn how to use each of those feet, you also get this pre-printed booklet. And inside of this booklet, you're going to find all of the instructions with pictures on how to use the different feet and attachments. It'll tell you exactly the settings that you need to set on your serger, your tensions, stitch lengths, stitch widths, everything is written right in the book for you. And on some of the feet, it even gives you a breakdown and shows you the different pieces and parts of the feet. A lot of them are adjustable, so it shows you exactly how you would go about adjusting them. So if you are ready to really dive into your Ovation serger, kick up your sewing an extra notch or two, and start experimenting with the different accessory feet, be sure to visit your local authorized Baby Lock retailer to get your 22-foot kit.